almost 12 o'clock at midnight. So I got the train. I caught the train before it is full, and my spot is reserved at 741. That is space 741. In the morning, the train will be gone, and that part of the train, whatever is moving on the other side, you might see it from here. That train that is moving, that's another section of it. So they are assembling the train here. That strip or segment of the train is not complete yet. We need about 300 trucks to come here with containers, and the 300 trucks to leave every day. So we have 600 in total to get the train loaded and unloaded. Unloaded, which means you take the containers off the train, and loaded means you put them on the train. That is how it works. How many trains can serve a city like Salt Lake? Only one train is enough. One train is too big. Look at how big the train is. It's too big. You need a lot of people, you need a lot of accuracy. It is a safety issue, it is a space issue, it is a machinery issue, maintenance issue. Having 600 trucks entering and leaving here in one day, that's a lot.